Hi there, my name is Abdul Jalil. Today I'm going to share with you some of the best Google Maps tips and tricks. So let's go on. Tip number 1, one finger zoom. Normally you need 2 fingers, but now you can either pinch or expand. You can also double tap with 1 finger and then slide your finger up or down to zoom in and out. Tip number 2, remember your parking spot. Within Google Maps, simply tap on the blue dot that indicate where you currently are, and then you can save your parking location on the map. You will now see a pin that shows where your car is. Once you return, you can click on that pin and you can clear it out or navigate to where your car is. If you rather have Google Maps remember automatically where your car is, click on your profile picture, then go to Setting, Navigation, and here you can toggle it on and off, so Google Maps remembers your parking location. Tip number 3, see where you have been with timeline. Okay, after enabling your location, come here to the menu and select your timeline and wait for it. Okay, now you can choose all the year, the month, the day you want to see your places. So if you can see here, I have 21 places I went to. It depends on when you turn on your location, it will track you. Okay, let's see the 21 places I've visited and my location was turned on. Okay, here you can see Medina here. If I click on any dot here, you will see this red dotted shows where I've been in Medina. So, and my location was turned on. Okay, here we have this one in 2014, St. Peter's Mission School. All this indicate when I've visited and my location was turned on. Okay, look at here, visited, most visited. So you can use location to track your own movement. Whenever your location is turned on, it means whenever you are going, you are being tracked by your own phone. So take care of that. This feature of Google Maps is very creepy, so you have to take care. It will track every movement. This is where you can manage it. You can turn it off, on here. So if you turn it on now, everywhere I'll move to, it will track me. So let's go back and see how it is. So if you look at this one, I've been to Kumasi at the same period where my location was on. So if you click on it, it will show you the distance. Let me show. Okay, as you can see, it will show you the distance here. It was 16 hours 24 minutes. It was 234 kilometers, as you can see. So Google Map is very, very, very creepy. It can track you everywhere you are going, except your if you have turned off the location. careful the way you use it. Tip number 4. Time travel with straight. Now, time travel with straight view. You can time travel with straight view using something called straight view history. To access, click on the little yellow person icon in the bottom right hand corner, and then all of the different rows will highlight in blue, indicating where straight view is available. And it is truly mind-boggling how many different rows Google has covered. Here, when I zoom out, you start to get a sense for the massive scope of work, of coverage. And it is not just road that they have covered, they have even covered some waterways as well. To use street view, simply select the person icon in the bottom right, and then you can drag it onto the blue streets, and this will show you the most recent or current picture of the location. Let's try it and see. This is the blue, the little person icon. Click on it, and let's see. Okay, in Accra here you can see the outline, how it has been highlighted blue. All these lines mean that a street view is available in these areas. Okay, let's go and demonstrate enough. Let's choose Medina. Let's say Medina. Okay, take the little person icon and drag it on Medina Market. Okay, this is Medina Market way back 2016 March. Okay, so if I zoom in, I'm zooming out, you can drag it and turn it like this. As you can see, this is Zongo Junction here, and this is the footbridge. At that time it was not completed. That time it wasn't completed. Okay, let's see. Let's have some recent pictures. Let's click on this. This is a recent picture which was taken November 2021. As you can see, it's different. Is the Access Bank. Where is the Access Bank? Here, Medina branch. It is somewhere here. Okay, this 2016 picture. The Prudential Bank is here. This one too was taken May 2018. Okay, let's go further. Zongo Junction 2020. This is massive investment of Google. So let's take another location. Let's drag it and put it somewhere in Accra Central. Okay, let's see Accra Mall here. Okay, this is March 2018. This picture, this is the footbridge between the Villaggio and Accra Mall. Let's see this one. Okay, this is roundabout. Let me zoom in out. You can see the pictures. Oh, this is roundabout. Here you can see it. I'm zooming in. It was taken October 2017. Okay, let's go back and see this one, March 2018. on the footbridge, Shiashi footbridge. Okay, this is how it works. So it's a massive investment and coverage of Google. Okay, in this video we have covered a little of the tips and tricks of Google Maps. So thank you for following us. Thank you very much. And if this is the first time, please support us by clicking on the subscription or subscribe and leave comments. Thank you very much. Bye bye.